We'll now look at the concept of working with a found set. So we've done a basic find. We'll do one again. I'm now looking at my Year 6 cohort. I'll do a subject achievement for failing in one or more subjects and looking in that achievement section there. So I'll find my students, and that has found 27 out of 102 students in the cohort. So I mentioned before that it keeps your found set when you jump between the profile and the list view. So I'm still looking at that 27 students. What I didn't mention before though is you can actually sort that cohort by any of these headings. I've sorted this by most absences to least. I could sort by the GPA, highest to lowest. If I click the heading a second time, it sorts in the opposite direction. So that's now the lowest GPA to the highest. And again, when I go back to the profile view, I'm still looking at those 27 students and still in that same sort order. So here's Nate with the lowest GPA through to the highest, going that way. Now, if I save a PDF, they are still in that order. If I choose a report option here, and I might choose the latest results list report in this case, again, I'm just looking at those 27 students. In this case, I've got 5 students to a page with their photos, and I can print or email their report out. And there's a bunch of different report options that are available. So working with that found set. The other thing I can do on the list page here is once I've done my sort order that I want, so I might sort by absences this time, I can actually do a PDF of the list page. So in this case, I might do the A4 list view, and that'll save that into my TrackEd Docs folder. And when I open that list up, that's the PDF that resulted. And so it's that list of 27 students in that sort order that I chose there before. So this is the idea of working with that found set that you've got. So again, with the list views, there are a lot of different list views here. If I choose select list, I can pick between all of the list views that are available here. We have the standard list view with a bunch of different options. We have one here for senior schooling, junior schooling. There's a bunch of different options here available for the list view. Once you've chosen a list view, you can save the PDF for that list view. You can also choose this export button and student data, and that would then save a list of the students in that same sort order into Excel. So that's gone to my TrackEd Docs folder. That's the Excel file that I've asked for there. And these are every single column heading that I'm looking at on that list view that I was looking at the time. So you actually get a different output depending on the list view that you're looking at that point in time. Okay, so just to recap, after you've done a find, you can then, with the list view, sort that in any order. You can save a list view PDF or export that. You can come back to the profile, they're still in that order. You can save student profile PDFs, or you can use the report options here and save off some of those reports, again, just with the students that you've used your find for and in that order that you've set your sort for.